time you turn around, there's a new skyrise going up, even uglier than the one
Come
down.
on, that goes on all over the world. It's not Florida, it's you. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. Everyone wants to think, oh, he's turning 40, he's become a curmudgeon. That's not it. Maybe I'm sick of my column. I don't find the things I'm saying that interesting.
John, you're the comic voice of South Florida. You're a national treasure, for God's sake.
You're a regional treasure.
Well, a municipal treasure, for sure. Listen, take a vacation, go away for a couple of weeks, take a month off.
Nowhere.
I don't know.
They live in a vacation spot.
Then go to someplace where it's paid for. Sad.
Take us down dark alleys, beat the hell out of us. We got a little more light around the temple, but we should look more distinguished, I think. We both lost that back. Well, I don't feel that the best shit behind you. You did everything you wanted to?
Good boy. He's a good boy, huh? Yeah.